Doing a quick update here. Higgins house, East Machias. Progress update. Pretty cold over there today. We got a little fire going there to keep warm. You can see we're getting some tar paper on the building. Lots of sheathing boards. Just like to point out, we've got vertical sheathing boards on the main structure and horizontal on the little side building there. That's just because of the way the post and beam framing and structure made it that way. We're looking at the interior intermediate portion between the main house and the studio, and we're waiting on the timber framer to bring the bents over and assemble them. I believe he's got them already made, but we're waiting on him for assembly before we can finish that interior intermediate structure there. We got that. Jason got the little dormer there finally figured out. It took a long time. You can see this is going to be there's going to be a little dormer on each side of this. So, and I can't quite explain how it's going to work, but it's going to be two roofs coming down onto the shed roof. It should be really interesting. Guys are putting tar paper on. Really exciting about the chimney. Masons have completed the lower portion of the chimney, and they've poured a slab, and they're ready to start building fireplaces. We're just waiting on brick selection, and I will detail that in another video. But it's pretty exciting to see that come together, and pretty close to having plumbing and electrical ready to come in here. And again, just want to shout out to Jason Carer of Carer Build. Can't remember the name of his company. It used to be Pine State Builders, and now it's Carer Building Company. He's the GC in charge of this, and he's such a great guy to work with. Really enjoy working with him. And I also really thankful to have the opportunity to work on an awesome project like this. Such a beautiful historic building. There we're looking straight down at the studio area. That's going to be all timber frame, like a 2-story timber frame structure. It's going to be really exciting to see that come together. Sorry for the drone footage here. I'm a really bad operator still, but I do the best I can. And I'm so excited about spring. It's just great to be outside. Today is pretty darn cold out there, but it's just great to be in such a beautiful spot. And it's March, so it's like starting to feel like it's it's getting there. Probably have like 1 or 2 more big snows, but anyways, thanks for watching.